a really good video today. We're on the way to pick up our new project car. We went and seen it the other day and we're really happy. It's just in paint, but there's no engine or transmission, but it's a really good canvas to start from. It's an awesome car, can't wait to show you, and you will love it. We're going to meet the tow truck driver there now and pick up the parts, put them in the van, and stay tuned. Alright, not far away now. Yeah, just a couple minutes. Can't wait. So, you really excited, Zach? Yeah? Good, good. What about you? Another Mopar! Alright, this is it. Wow. So we can put the seats, the big seats in the back here. So we go, guys. 71 Roadrunner. How good's that? Sassy grass green. But yeah, looks awesome. Wrapped. Tow truck driver's on his way. We're gonna load it up and take it back. Well, it's all good, man. It's good having the parts.
Yeah, you know. Yeah. I found this too. I forgot.
Oh, cool. You got some Plymouth.
I forgot that I had this, right? This is actually, so that's a
crank,
there's a crank and a cam in there.
Oh, nice.
For a 340.
Alright.
Yeah.
You got your 2K frames.
Yeah.
I think maybe we'll put all the buckets up the front because of the fridge thing up top, which
Yeah.
stack them right up.
Yeah.
And then
Put the dash on top of everything.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that
yeah,
doesn't.
yeah.
Yeah. 29.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Right, yeah, we'll put
Washington.
the frame.
So we found the fender tag. We were looking all over for it and it was stuck inside the door frame. Can't believe it.
Oh, that's
And you got the sticker, yeah.
That's so
The
funny.
Lord Gem sticker, far out. What's the chances of that? Perfect, man.
Imagine if we couldn't find out like the whole time, and then once we got home and looked at everything, we found it.
Yeah, I know. We would have found it eventually, but I'm glad we actually know we've got the couple.
Yeah.
They're not bad condition, these. Yeah. Which way we go in? We go that way. Alright, bucket seats.
They're going to go in the carbuild.
Yeah, no, let's put them here.
And what's the other one look like? The other.
They're pretty solid.
Theo?
Okay, let me get on the other side. I might flip it around. Great. What else we got?
Just the front seats thing.
Let's just look at things here, mate. Sweet. Beauty. Cool, we've got plenty of space. I'll put this in here. Vodka sway bar. got the fender tag?
It's still cut.
There we go.
That's the keys.
Roadrunner. That is awesome. Can't wait to get it on the road. There we go, guys.
That's crazy.
Roadrunner. Yeah.
Personality.
Yeah.
But
Because seeing that we don't have the block, I mean,
Yeah.
there's, you know.
And you have an empty plate to work on.
yeah, you
Plain
can kind of
canvas,
do
put it in
whatever.
there.
Yeah.
Say again?
Mustang?
No, I'm saying that Roadrunner.
Anything, I'll give you a buzz.
Yeah.
And like I can.
Yeah, it might be something that might pop up. I think
It
we've
might
got
be
all the
something
important
small. You
stuff,
never know. Yeah.
But,
you never know.
Yeah.
But even if it's something little.
It's
I'll-
crazy
Yeah.
how you found the tag though.
Yeah. I know. I couldn't believe it.
Mate, I don't even remember putting it there.
Yeah.
That's the funny thing.
Yeah. I might have fell inside. I don't know. But anyway, we got it. That's
Yeah.
the main thing.
I think I did it deliberately, but I don't know why.
Yeah.
But
There it is. All right. Thanks again, man. Really appreciate it. Take care. There she is. What a beautiful car. And what a colour. Love that body style. Now, if that's not a good looking car, I don't know what is. You happy, Zaggy? Yeah? Yeah? What's your favourite part about the car? The logo? Yeah, it's the Roadrunner. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And it's got the horn as well. Beep beep horn. Yeah. Very nice. So yeah, I just want to say also thanks to Luke's son Anthony. He's the one who actually found the listing and showed his old man, which sent it to me. So if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have this. So if you're watching, mate, thanks very much for that. Really appreciate it. All right, dropping it off. She's home. That's very good. That's fine, man. That's good. Easy. Yeah. Alrighty, so we got it back. I am wrapped. So yeah, it's a genuine 71 Roadrunner, FJ6 sassy grass green. Yeah, it just looks stunning. I can't believe it. doesn't have an engine or a transmission, but it was a factory 340 with auto. But yeah, so it's a blank slate. We can put anything in it. So I don't know. What do you reckon? We just give me some suggestions. So 383, 440, or even maybe a modern Hemi. We could do that. Yeah, pretty exciting. But yeah, it's pretty solid. A lot of the body and paint all done. So yeah, good starting point. Obviously have to do a bit of work with the trim and the interior, running gear. But yeah, she's awesome. So yeah, half vinyl roof. Yeah, factory vinyl roof. Strobe stripes. Factory black interior. Bucket seats. Console. Power steering. But I had drum brakes. But I'm gonna obviously put disc brakes in there. So yeah, got all the bumpers. Got to get them re-chromed. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, pretty happy. I'm going to be doing the build with my dad and my son. If you want to stick around, just give us a like and subscribe. Yeah, we'll go through it all and have some more videos on the Roadrunner. But yeah, don't forget to comment and let me know what you think I should put in it, because I'm keen to hear your opinions. But yeah, thanks guys. I'll see you in the next video.